Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are from Group 3. First, I will introduce you our member. The first member is me, Adelia Wahyu, and also there are Alda, Alisa, Rizka, and Nora. So today, we will explain to you about cell membrane, its ion channels, aquaporin channels, and also abnormalities in its channels. Okay, let's go. Aquaporins channel. So, aquaporins, also called water channels, are integral membrane proteins composed of a large family of major intrinsic proteins that form pores and cell membranes, and primarily facilitating the transport of water between cells. The cell membranes of different bacteria, fungi, animals, and also plants have aquaporins that penetrate them so that water can flow more quickly into and out of cells. Then it would be to diffuse through the phospholipid layer.
Aquaporins selectively transport water molecules onto and out of cells, while preventing the passage of ions and other solutes, also known as aqueducts. Aquaporins are integral membrane pore proteins. Some of these, known as aquaglyceroporins, also transport other uncharged soluble molecules, including ammonia, carbon dioxide, glycerol, and urea.
Hello, I'm going to explain about abnormalities in aquaporins channel. Damage to water permeability regulated by vasopressin in the collecting duct results in a condition called nephrogenic diabetes insipidus or NDI, which is a disease of the kidneys that cannot produce concentrated urine. So in a normal way, the pituitary gland sends a hormone ADH to the kidneys to help control how much urine is made. And in the nephrogenic diabetes insipidus, the kidneys don't respond to ADH, so they make a lot of urine.
Ion canals are canals on the surface of the cell membrane that control the flow of ion into the cell. It usually specific for a particular ion such as sodium and potassium. General mechanism of ion canal. Ion canal are selective process in the membrane that allow the transfer of ion according to their electrochemical gradient. Ion canal move ion electrically charged atom across the cell membrane to carry out our functions such as pain transfer, heart rate rating, and blood glucose regulation. Often stimulated to the stimulation, the open and closed state of the canal is controlled by the membrane potential voltage gated canal or transmitter substance ligand gated canal. Various of ion canal. First, besides their activities, ion canal divide into 5 types, namely voltage gate canal, ligand gate canal, and ion canal activate molecule intracellular. G protein gate canal, and the last is trace active canal. Besides on the type, ion canal divide into 4 types: Na ion canal, Ca ion canal, K ion canal, and Cl ion canal. Ion canal function. The first is ion transport. Second, regulation of the electric potential across the cell membrane. And last is signaling cell.
Normality in canal ion. Long QT syndrome is an increased discordant characterized by a prolonged QT interval on the HCG due to mutation in certain genes. This syndrome often presents with recurrent syncope and is associated with an increased risk of torsades, the points, and ventricular fibrillation. Based on the mutated gene, long QT syndrome can be divided into 12 types, namely LQTS 1 to 12. Of the 12 types, types 1 to 3 are the most common and the most studied. The percentage incidence of each LQTS is as follows. LQTS 1 is 30 to 35%, LQTS 2 is 25 to 30%, LQTS 3 is 5 to 10%, LQTS 4 is 1 to 2%, LQTS 5 is 1%, and LQTS 6 to 12 very rarely. 1. LQTS 1 occurs due to a mutation in the KCNQ1 gene. This results in reduced function of the subunit of canal E. 2. LQTS occurs due to mutation in the function of the canal subunit is reduced. KCNH2 gene in this gene potassium E Kr is reduced. 3. Potassium caused by mutation in the SGANase gene cause the function of the subunit the sodium canal to increase. 4. LQTS the mutated gene is ANK2 causing disturbance in the function of the adapter protein. Mutation in this protein causes disturbance in the sodium ion canal and calcium exchanger so that a lot of calcium accumulates in the cells. 5. LQTS the mutated gene is KCNAI. The mutation causes the BU subunit of the AK potassium canal to desert its function. 6. LQTS caused by a mutation in the KCNA2 mutation in this gene causes the B subunit of the LG ion canal. Its function is decreases. 7. LQTS occurs due to a mutation in the KCNG2 gene. The mutation causes the subunit of the Lg potassium ion canal to decrease its function. 8. LQTS occurs due to a mutation in the CACNIC gene that causes the function of the subunit of the EA canal to increase. 9. LQTS the gene that is mutated in the CAV3 gene. This mutation causes the function of the clavulanion 3 protein to be discrete, which will then result in an increase. 10. LQTS gene that is mutated in SCN4B mutation in this gene causes disturbance in the B subunit of the ENA ion canal so that the function of the ion canal is increased. 11. The LQTS gene that is mutated is AKAP9 resulting in impaired function of the U-tau protein. Disturbance in this protein will then cause the function of the Lg potassium ion canal to decrease. And 12. LQTS gene that has STNIE mutation in this gene causes the function of protein synthropin to decrease to the sodium ion A and its function increases.
So that's all from our group. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.